Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our documentary on sustainable food production in Bangladesh. Food is the basic requirement of life to survive. Food production is one of the key areas that require action alongside issues of food consumption, nutrition, and food security. A wide range of agricultural products, food and drink products for human consumption and animal feed are produced throughout the Bangladesh. Sustainable food products need to be nutrient-dense to allow people to have a diverse diet that contains a balanced, adequate, and combination of energy and nutrients to support good
Assalamu
health.
alaikum. Now I talk to about sustainable food security. Today Bangladesh is currently experiencing a nutrition transition. Lifestyle are becoming more urban and sedentary, with food and drinks being more energy dense and diet containing more processed food, sugar, fat and animal products. The result is triple burden of malnutrition. Here is triple burden of malnutrition. One part of the population is still undernourished. Many also suffer from deficits of specific nutrients, in particular micronutrients, and others are overweight. Now, what is food security? Food security is achieved when all people at all times have physical, social, economic access to sufficient, safe, nutritious food to meet dietary needs and food preference for an active and healthy life. There are four pillars of food security: availability, stability, utilization, and access.
Sustainable agriculture, a growing movement, has emerged during the past 4 decades to question the necessity of this high cost and to offer innovative alternatives. Sustainable agriculture is garnering increasing support and acceptance within our food production systems. This diagram presents sustainable agriculture integrates three main goals: environmental health, economic profitability, social equity. Here present Bangladesh agriculture at a glance. Total farm holding 1,47,16,000. Total area 14.845 million hectares. Here annual food production and annual food demand are same, 31.9 million metric ton. Here present contribution of fish production from 1983 to 1984 versus 2016 to 2017, in which increases inlet culture fisheries, on the other hand decrease inland capture fisheries and marine capture. Here present livestock production from 2008 to 2018. Here present average yield rate 1971 versus 2015 and breakdown of agriculture sector. Present status of sustainable agriculture in Bangladesh. Before the advent of green revolution during systems, Bangladeshi farmers did not use any chemical fertilizer or pesticides. As the consequence of chemical farming were emerging, some organizations started their activities like Proshika. The government also started ICM, IPM project to minimize the use of chemical fertilizer and pesticides. Here Bangladesh had few projects to address sustainable agriculture issues such as Go Interfish. Currently they have Sabji, LMP and Actibari Actichamar project in operation with some components of sustainable agriculture. Some challenges: population growth rate, climate change and variation, rapid urbanization growth, agriculture, research and education. Here we can see a flowchart which present food challenges 1970 to 2020. Here in this figure present the three pillars of agriculture sustainability are effective ecological sustainability, maintaining economic sustainability, social system, which indicate complex interaction that influence the prospects of achieving agriculture sustainability given current pattern of economic
Strategies
growth.
of sustainable agriculture. Sustainable agriculture is dependent on four pillars. These four pillars are environmental sustainability, productivity sustainability, social sustainability, and economical sustainability. The strategies are grouped according to three separate areas of concern. These areas are management of natural resources, production practices like crops, livestock and fisheries, and the economic, social and political
Technology
context.
development. About 58 varieties rice and 582 varieties high-yielding crops developed by National Agricultural Research Institute. Research Institute developed 597 management technology. Public institution developed 102 varieties and 172 management technologies to contribute the sustainable development of agriculture. Some private company imported 174 varieties and keep facilities in agricultural economy in countryside. In this chart showing that Bangladesh Agriculture Research Institute development about 623 technology as national site. Secondly, on the screen, we see that Bangladesh Agriculture University developed about 80 technology as public institutional site. Finally, On this table, Laltir Seed Company developed maximize variety as a private sector.
Assalamu alaikum. Let's talk about food and agricultural organization support to Bangladesh. Since 1978, a total number of 232 projects implemented for a total delivery of 266,48,990 US dollar. Policy assistance and capacity development. Comprehensive and cross-sectoral approach towards increasing agricultural production. Sustainable food and nutrition security, adaptation to climate change, development to fisheries sector, development of livestock and dairy sector, and forest. 5 pillars of food and agricultural organization intervention: advocacy and support to aid effectiveness, direct support to enhanced food and nutrition security including emergency and rehabilitation, nutrition and agribusiness, prevention and response to food chain threats and emergencies, support to climate change mitigation and adaptation and natural resource management. Issues in sustainable food production in Bangladesh. There are several issues in sustainable food production of Bangladesh, like supply challenges, lack of good governance, global warming, climate change, population growth and food demand with prices, lack of adequate storage facilities, nutrition and healthcare situations, water security, arsenic problem. Thank you.
All my group members have already discussed about sustainable food production in Bangladesh. Now before ending the video, I am going to give a short conclusion about it.
Now, incentives and policies for ensuring the sustainability of agriculture will be crucial if we are to meet the demands of improving yields without compromising environmental integrity or public health. To maximize agriculture's efficiency and sustainability, public policies should seek to internalize all costs and benefits in the price of production inputs. And finally, secure property rights and other policies offering farmers incentives for investing in resource management as well as access to yield increasing and resource conserving technologies are critical. That's it. I hope we have been able to provide some necessary information about sustainable food production in Bangladesh. Thanks for watching.